I mean, this one's insane. I really love the jelly in it. Just like so good. This is an amazing burger. I had no idea they had burgers here. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing amazing. This is David Hoffmann from Davidsbeenhere in the 305 Miami, Florida, my hometown. And today I'm driving down to Kendall to Hitman Melts, the place for the perfect grilled cheese. Hitman Melts started up as a food truck by Chef Kevin Hayes in 2014. It became one of the most popular food trucks at the Food Truck Invasion events. They opened up their Hitman Melts brick and mortar location in May of 2017, and what Kevin did is he expanded on his food truck menu and not only brought his amazing grilled cheese sandwiches, but added burgers, salads, soups, and desserts, all homemade. Some of the items that I'm most excited about are the Hitman Melt, the Executioner, and the French Assassin. Those names are amazing. I'm super excited. This place has been open for over a year and it has become a local favorite and a foodie destination. Let's head down to Kendall to Hitman Melts and eat some delicious grilled cheese sandwiches. Let's go.
My name is Kevin Hayes. I'm a chef and co-owner here at Hitman Melts. Hitman Melts is a cheese emporium. Every dish we have has melted cheese in it in one way or another, whether it's our burgers or one of our melts. The Grim Reaper is my personal favorite. That comes with the cheddar cheese, bacon, red pepper jelly, chipotle aioli, and it's on a honey brioche. Then we also had the French Assassin, which is a very popular one as well, which is a French toast, 2 burger patties, melted mozzarella, maple mascarpone, and maple bacon, and a sunny side up egg as well. And then we had the Hitman, which is a garlic butter toasted white bread with macaroni and cheese, bacon, and sharp cheddar cheese melted in the inside. And then we had the Hunter Melt, which is our buffalo chicken sandwich. It comes on with a pepper jack, chicken, blue cheese dressing, lettuce, and tomato. Macaroni and cheese is with our homemade cheese sauce, macaroni noodles, ham, bacon, and fresh jalapeno, as well as melted cheese, cheddar, and Swiss on top. And the fries are our blue cheese fry. It comes with a fresh made blue cheese sauce, blue cheese crumbles. Then we put the balsamic glaze, bacon, and scallion on it. Our menu is very extensive. We always have 5 different burgers and 5 different melts. We do a soup, we have a couple of salads, and we have 3 desserts. And we like to do 3 specials a month, 1 burger, 1 melt, and 1 either a soup, salad, or side. So if you guys are into cheese, come by and see us in South Kendall.
Okay, so we're starting off with the French Assassin. Look at this monster. This is basically French toast with 2 3-ounce burger patties, maple mascarpone, oh my god, mozzarella fontina, maple glazed bacon, over easy egg. The maple mascarpone is so freaking sweet. Okay. It's like having a French toast with burger inside. I love how the yolk just like pops right there. This is ridiculous. It's sweet, it's juicy. Oh, the mascarpone with the French toast and the maple bacon, it's ridiculous. I mean, this is like breakfast in a burger. So much cheese. I need to have this for breakfast, for real. This is so freaking good. Oh, this is like, I don't even know what to do. Look at all that cheese. Look at that cheese. The mascarpone, and it tastes like there's like syrup in here. I don't even know what to tell you about this. It's just amazing. The egg, the mascarpone, the cheese just melted throughout, that mozzarella. Wow. Oh man, I'm in love with this French toast though. Can't finish this thing, but I'm in love with it. Perfect combination here. It really is like the ultimate French toast breakfast burger. Yeah, that's what I would say. Oh, just one more bite. The amount of cheese. If you're a cheesehead, you have to come to Hitman Melts. It's so amazing. This is like too good. Like, I don't even know what to tell you. Like, next time I come here, I'm gonna have this again. Oh, I just want to finish it, but I have like so many things to try. But one more bite. That mascarpone, just so sweet. Oh, that was like, it's probably gonna be one of my favorite breakfast burgers ever. Sorry to everybody else where I had a breakfast burger. Here we have the Grim Reaper. Grim Reaper has 2 3-ounce burger patties, bacon, red pepper jelly, chipotle aioli, sharp cheddar cheese, honey brioche bun. Wow, this is incredible. Look at this monster. What? I don't even know, this is gonna be so amazing right now. I think what's gonna make this is the pepper jelly. Oh my god. So delicious. It almost feels like a peanut butter jelly sandwich, but obviously no peanut butter. And just amazing beef. Wow. Pepper jelly is insane. Oh yeah. I wonder why I call it Grim Reaper. I love the blend of flavors. Cheddar cheese, red pepper jelly. Damn, it's a big burger. This one's pretty amazing if you guys haven't ordered it. It's delicious. I mean, this one's insane. I really love the jelly in it. Just like so good. This is an amazing burger. I had no idea they had burgers here. I'm blown away. Man, I should not finish this, but it's so good. Let me get the piece that has the most jelly. The burger, the Green Reaper. Wow, the jelly's so delicious. I love the bun as well. Next. Okay, so here we have our first grilled cheese. It's called the Hitman Melt. And what we have here is bacon, melted cheddar cheese, macaroni and cheese, garlic toasted country bread. This thing looks ridiculous. This is taking me back to my childhood. I never had macaroni and cheese in a grilled cheese before. What? This is so ridiculous. This is one of their most popular items. Look at that. How it just falls apart. Okay. And they had to throw bacon in here, huh? It's amazing though. The cheddar cheese with the bacon. I love the bread. It really is just like a traditional grilled cheese, but they throw macaroni and cheese and it gives it like all this like extra cheese. It's so ridiculous. I mean, it's pretty filling, but this is like the ultimate grilled cheese for sure. Everything you eat here melts. I love how it falls apart. This thing is so creamy. Look at that. Oh my god. It's so good. I mean, I love this one. It's like a lot of cheese, you know? Yeah, I mean, you come here for the cheese, and I think this is like, if you're looking to get photos for Instagram, this is like the most picture worthy, I think, for sure. Next one. All right, so I have one more grilled cheese sandwich to go, and this is called the Hunter Melt. Hunter Melt is fried chicken breast, buffalo sauce, lettuce, tomato, blue cheese dressing, melted pepper jack cheese, so a little hot, and then toasted country white bread. The blue cheese like takes over. Oh, it's so ridiculous. I'm in love with it, man. Yeah, I'm in love with it. So good. Wow. The chicken, tomato, lettuce. The blue cheese is just so good though. If you like blue cheese, you're gonna love this sandwich. And if you like chicken, I mean, this is like the ultimate chicken, blue cheese chicken sandwich ever. I'm in love with it. I mean, I can go all the way with this, but still have a few more things to try, so I gotta like hold back. The combination here, the blend of flavors, I just love cheese. If you like cheese, you have to come here to Killer Melts. One more bite. So here we have their mac and cheese, KM cheese sauce, ham, bacon, jalapeno, cheddar, and Swiss cheese, and topped with scallions. So Kevin was telling me that this dish and the Hitman, so both macaroni and cheeses dishes, are like the top sellers. Everybody comes here for these. It's so cheesy. He put so many cheeses on here. A little hot, creamy, melty. What? The scallions. I love the scallions on top. Gives it a great taste. A great topping right there. All right, I'm not gonna eat too much of this. I'm super full, and I still have one more thing to go. A cheddar and a Swiss cheese. Ooh, a little hot. Like this with truffle mac and cheese, my top cheeses ever. I don't even know where I had that last, but this is incredible. I'm done. Okay, so to end the meal, we're gonna have some blue cheese fries. I couldn't not try their French fries. We have blue cheese, bacon, balsamic glaze, scallions, balsamic glaze. I mean, it's gonna be amazing. I'm only gonna have a few bites, guys, because it's an overkill. And also, they also have craft beer, and they have wine, and I'm having a La Finca, and this is from the Tank Brewery. Delicious Saison. That's nice. Okay, so let's try these fries. Wow, look at all this blue cheese. Just like an overload. So it's blue cheese crumbles and a blue cheese sauce. It's like blue cheese heaven. All right, man, I have to have one more bite because I love blue cheese, and this is so good. I'm just so full, but this is amazing. It's a perfect blend of flavors between the scallion and the crumbled bacon, the crumbled blue cheese, and the blue cheese sauce. This place is a cheese lover's heaven. This is paradise. I love cheese. This was like, every single dish was incredible. I think my favorite, I have to say, the Grim Reaper burger was outstanding. I loved it. And then the Hunter Melt, which is like the chicken with blue cheese, and then these blue cheese fries, and also the macaroni. I mean, every single thing was amazing. I mean, these fries are just so incredible. It's just like, there's something about blue cheese and having it with a little bit of bacon. Look at that. So guys, next time you're in Miami, head down to South Kendall to Killer Melts. If you love cheese, you have to come here. Everything's melted. Just cheese, 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 cheese. Every type of cheese is fantastic. And yeah, if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next food travel adventure. Oh, this is like cheese heaven. It's just like, it's too much.